On behalf of the Fairfax County Sheriff's Office, I'd like to welcome you to the swearing-in ceremony of Stacey Ann Kincaid as the 77th Sheriff of the Fairfax County and the City of Fairfax.
Today, we are all a part of history as Stacey Kincaid becomes the first woman to lead the Fairfax County Sheriff's Office in 271 years. About time, don't you think?
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Stacey Ann Kincaid,
I, Stacey Ann Kincaid,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of the Commonwealth of Virginia,
and the Constitution of the Commonwealth of Virginia,
and that I will faithfully and impartially discharge
and I will faithfully and impartially discharge
all the duties incumbent upon me
all duties incumbent upon me
as Sheriff of Fairfax County and the City of Fairfax, Virginia,
as Sheriff of Fairfax County and the City of Fairfax, Virginia,
according to the best of my ability.
according to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.